So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the chat GPT is not producing images for any prompt. Now you can do the same steps of fixes for any of the device that you have, for example your iPhone, your Android or your laptops. Now in order to do it, for example, if I open the chat GPT, now here if I write any of the prompt, it might not generate some image because I just need to select the particular tool for image generation. Now in order to do it, just simply press on this option of plus right there, and here click on this option of create image. Just simply tap over there. Now once you do it, here you can see the image generation tool have been selected. Now if I write any prompt right there, it will definitely generate a image for me. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.